Sometimes she'll introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Karina's mum, Alison.
Thank you so much for entering me into this competition. Me and my mum will be extremely grateful to win the $10,000. So when I was actually going to Italy to take a photo of this print, I was actually attacked by 4 Frenchmen on the bus, which was a bit scary. She also have to sleep with the Italian men just to get us food on the table at night. I think we just mean a lot to our family because we don't, we've really struggled growing up. Alright.
I think you deserve to win it of your own accord because you have worked really hard. You struggled at school a little bit.
Nothing about our struggle for our upbringing.
I prefer to forget about that and move on, move forward.
From the Italian men?
From the Italian men and the French men.
I think we deserve to win the $10,000 because my mum had a really rough upbringing. When she
The thing is, I don't even sound Italian.
Mum, it's okay.
It's okay. I'm okay.
She did actually have to work at, what was that strip club called in Capri?
I've tried to block it from my mind. It was really bad.
Yeah. So she it's a bit of the experience at that club that you had.
There was lots of men, didn't want to pay much money, and it was difficult to leave quietly at night time without someone following you, feeling unsafe.
And how did you feel with us girls here at home?
Trying to protect you